where we are thus far. It has not been 2 weeks since we colored. Okay, 30 volume. Make sure you check out my blog, and on my blog I'll have a list of my formulation and everything on there. I'm gonna spray this on, and then after I spray this, I'm gonna go ahead and put this high lift color on, avoiding my roots because the key is to just lift this another level, but I'm keeping my roots darker just so you can see like the transition of the color and stuff. It's like, so at this point, we have begun the silk press process. Remember, all of the products that I have used in this video can always be found in the description box below, as well as on my blog, which is located on my website, which has been where? Up in the upper left hand corner this entire time. So you guys, I could have just did one setting of lightener and got it to the level that I wanted it to be at, but I did not want to do that. I'm taking this at baby steps with high lift color, and I can do that because I don't have any previous hair color on my hair, and as I told you guys in previous videos, color does not lift color. So I'm going ahead and doing this, and it is also time for a trim. Now let me say this, I have been kind of lazy with my hair lately because, you know, everything that's been going on in the world today with the corona and stuff and the kids being off from school, I just have not had time to care about my hair. That's why it's been so long in between videos. But even as we speak, as I'm doing this voiceover, it is the 17th, and I've already left a timestamp here where, you know, what day this was. So the length is going to be crazy. I cannot wait for you guys to see the updated video. But please keep in mind, you guys, as you watch me go lighter, I will only be toning with purple shampoo. I will not be putting on any extra color because I am doing this lightening process with high lift color, and again, color does not lift color. So if I tone it to make the color look perfect right now, then I'm gonna make things harder for myself, and I will have to constantly extract color whenever I begin to do the coloring process. So I really hope that makes sense. But like I said, make sure you have subscribed here to my channel so that way you can keep up with the whole process, because no, you do not have to use lightener to lighten your hair. However, only if your hair is virgin. So I will, you know, show you that. And when I say virgin, I don't mean like not relaxed. I mean as long as you do not have any artificial pigment in the hair. Okay, so at this point I have put on some foam wrap, and I put that foam wrap on just to hold my edges down a little better, you know, because I don't want to add a whole lot of heat. Remember, it's trim time, and if you are not new to my channel, you know that I do not trim my hair wet. I only trim my hair after it's been straightened. So I knew that after this color, it would be time for me to trim my hair. So you guys just go ahead and check this out because it's pretty self-explanatory. At this point, my hair is growing pretty fast, but I want to ensure that I have a blunt cut around the base, not throughout. I love layers, of course. I mean, I don't want an asymmetrical bob or anything. So yes, my hair is growing pretty fast, but you guys will notice that I do cut a bit every time, not a whole lot, but I want to ensure that the hair on the sides is even with the hair in the back, because I did have a short pixie cut where it was very short on the sides and in the back. So I want to make sure everything grows out on an even key. So that is why I'm doing this. So, you know, stay tuned and stick around. The rest of this is pretty self-explanatory. You guys make sure, like I keep saying, that you subscribe here to my channel, and once you subscribe, you click that bell so you are always notified whenever I post another video, because there have been changes. Yes, okay, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember everything I said thus far about the color, the tone that we're at, and the process, because color is a process. There's no one step like you just throw color on and boom. No, it is a process, and you know, welcome to the process. Yes, sit back.
Feel noticed, 'cause I deserve better. Ooh, I deserve it all. Ooh, someone that truly matters. Ooh, that loves no matter what. Oh, so tired of them guys thinking they got me figured out. You think you're good to go, yeah. But guess what? I don't think so, no. I know you're disappointed that I'm counting you out. I want someone devoted, just the real stuff they count. Oh yeah, someone who's devoted to. Oh yeah, make me feel noticed, 'cause I deserve better. I deserve better. I deserve it all. I deserve it all. Someone that truly matters. That loves no matter what. That loves no matter what, because I deserve it. I deserve it all. I deserve it all, 'cause I deserve
Lately I've been feeling like somebody else. Heard you're moving on with someone new. My friends keep telling me that it was for the best, but I don't know if I will make it through. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you said some things we didn't mean, but thought that we could figure this one out. Hate the fact that our love now is separate, but maybe someday you will realize. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so